friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will see how to make Bombay Halwa. Let's check out the ingredients. Half cup of corn flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 3 tablespoons of mixed nuts, half tablespoon of cardamom powder, a little food color, 4 tablespoons of ghee. Add half cup of corn flour into a bowl. Then add 1½ cups of water. Mix it well. Add 1 cup of sugar into a pan. If you need more sweetness, you may add additional 1/4 cup of sugar. Add 1 cup of water. Stir it well until sugar gets dissolved in the water. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. It's time to add corn flour mixture. Stir it until it starts thickening. Add a little color. Mix it well. Add cardamom powder. Add 3 tablespoons of nuts. Now add 4 tablespoons of ghee, add little by little and mix it well. Now it's time to switch off the flame. Grease the tray with some ghee. Transfer halwa into a tray. Using spoon, just level it up. For topping, add some chopped nuts. Let it cool for 2 to 3 hours. Transfer into a cutting board. Cut into pieces. Now it's time for plating. If you like this video, please like, share and comment. Thank you.